Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video from Stacy and the D's. Yes, guys, I'm in the kitchen once more. Welcome back. As I said, guys, this segment is called Stacy's Cooking Show. Welcome back to Stacy's Cooking Show. I'm in the kitchen another time around, and today I'm gonna make a pizza. Yes, guys, I'm gonna make a pizza. I always make pizza in my house, but I did not put up any on my channel, so I decided to put up a pizza on my channel. My kids love pizza, so I have to be making it a pizza for the kids. Yes, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I go about making my homemade pizza. Yes, guys. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you're here for the first time, a warm welcome to you. Welcome back to my all and my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for taking the time out of your busy schedule to stop by and Stacy and the D's channel. I really appreciate you all. Yes, guys, so if you're new, guys, please to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, guys. You won't be disappointed. I do a lot of contents over here, guys. Just subscribe, join the family, guys, and you won't be disappointed. Yes, guys, let's jump right into the video. Yes, simple homemade pizza, guys. So right here I have my olive oil, I have salt, I have my yeast right here, I have just a spoonful of sugar, white sugar, in this container, and I have my flour right here. And this container here, I'm gonna pour some warm water, and I'm gonna mix out the yeast in the warm water. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Yes, guys, so this is the yeast, guys. I'm pouring it into the water, all of it. I'm just using one packet from this thing here. There were 3 on it, so I'm just using only one. So I pour out 1 packet of yeast in some warm water. I'm just gonna give this a stir. So after doing this now, guys, I'm gonna pour in this spoonful of sugar into the flour. Just a spoonful, not using more than a spoonful. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of salt into the flour. I'm gonna pour some olive oil as well. Pour some olive oil into the flour as well. Then I'm gonna use my yeast water over here. Yes, I'm gonna add some regular water in this, and I'm gonna use it to knead my flour and turn it into a dough. And after doing this, guys, after I make this dough, I'm gonna put it on the fridge and make the pizza like tomorrow, the next day. Yes, I'm not gonna make it like today. I'm gonna make it like the next day. I'm gonna let it rise in the freezer. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, not in the freezer part where you put the meats. No, I'm gonna put it down below just to keep cool and to rise for the next day. Right, so I'm just gonna use this yeast water now to knead my dough, and I'll come right back and show you guys after I'm done. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so this is what the dough should be looking like after you're finished kneading it out. It should be looking something like this. Yeah, soft and nice and well kneaded out. Yes, looking like this, guys. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, this is well kneaded out, so I'm just gonna put this in a container and put it in the fridge. Like I said before, I'm gonna leave it for the next day. So I'll come back, guys, and show you guys after I roll out my flour for the next day. After I roll out my dough, yes, I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. So just stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna put this in a container and put it in the fridge. Just stay tuned. Hey, guys. Oh my god, I'm so stuffed up. Hey guys, I just cleared my throat and I get my voice back, thanks be to God. I have a little cold, but anyways, guys, it's day 2 now and I'm about to continue making my pizza. So guys, right here I have some Kraft cheese right here, guys. Yes, and I'm doing it on my grater. This is what it looks like. Yes, so this is my Kraft cheese, and I'm gonna mix it with my mozzarella cheese right here. I'm gonna use some from this packet. So I'm gonna use two type of cheese here, the white cheese and this Kraft cheese, which is yellow. Yes, and I'm gonna use my sauce. You know, this is my sauce. I'm gonna use a little black pepper, and I'm gonna use a little garlic powder. Yes, and this is another sauce right here to go on the pizza. Yes, guys. So guys, I'm gonna make two pizzas. I'm gonna make a vegetable one for myself, and I'm gonna make a pepperoni one for the kids with cheese, right? So just stay tuned, guys. I'm coming right back. Yes, guys, so this is the dough from the fridge I have right here. I'm about to roll out this dough and make some pizza. Yes, I am gonna make the bottom for the pizza from this dough right here. And like I said before, I'm gonna make a vegetable pizza for myself. The kids can taste if they likes. And these are my vegetables right here, guys. I have some corn from the cob. I just cut them off the cob, and I have some broccoli, I have some cucumbers, and I have some string beans, right? And these are my vegetables over here as well, my seasonings. I have onion, bell peppers, tomato, thyme, and scallion. So these gonna be my topping, guys. And I have the cheese right here. Yes, two color cheese we're working with. Yeah, I have the cheese right here, and my seasons are there. I introduced them earlier. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead, and the pepperoni is soaking out for the kids. It is salt, so I have to put it in some water first to soak. I don't know for you guys, but I know the pepperoni contains a lot of salt. So what I do before I prepare it, I soak it out just a little before I go ahead and prepare it, because it's very salty. So I'm gonna make a pepperoni for the kids and vegetable for me. So this is my dough right here. I'm gonna go ahead, it's my rolling, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and roll out my dough right now and make some bottoms, and I'll come right back and show you guys how I'm dressing my pizza. So just stay tuned. At this point, guys, I add some more olive oil. Yes, I add some more olive oil on the dough, and a little bit of flour again. Yes, and then I'm gonna knead this out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out. So just to let that the flour doesn't stick on the rolling board, yes, or rolling hood. Yes, I use a little bit of flour over the dough. It would help it not to stick. So guys, I'm finally finished making one of the dough, and what I do, I put it in the tin, and then I dress it from there. This is my sauce I'm adding. So yes, guys, as you can see, I put in my vegetables, my corn, my broccoli, string beans, and cucumber, and I'm gonna add some tomato. I'm gonna add some onions, thyme, scallion, and I'm gonna leave some of these seasoned for the rest of the pizza. I'm gonna leave some of these seasoned for the pepperoni one for the kids. So this is well loaded, guys, with a lot of vegetables. Okay, so that's it. So now at this point, guys, I'm gonna add a little black pepper. I'm gonna add a little black pepper all over. Oh. Okay, I have too much right here, but no worries, it's just in one spot. So just sprinkle it all over, guys, and I'm gonna use a little garlic powder as well. So I'm adding the garlic powder, guys, and I'm gonna add my cheese. Lastly now is my cheese on top. So I have some mozzarella cheese and some Kraft cheese, guys. Yep. and I'm gonna load it with cheese. I like a lot of cheese on the pizza. Yes guys, so after this it's going straight to the oven. I'm just gonna put in the other one with it right away, straight in the oven guys, and I'll show you guys the outcome. Just stay tuned. So this is it right away guys. Yeah, still loading on the cheese. Yeah, yes guys, so just stay tuned guys. I'm coming up with the next one. Yes guys, so pizza number 2 is about to go down. Yes, I'm finished putting on the vegetables, the seasonings here, and I'm gonna add the cheese now. And this is the kids' own. So you guys, if you like this video guys, give it a thumbs up guys, leave some comments down below, share me out if you can, and guys, if you're new here for the first time, watch any one of my video for 3 minutes or more, or even watch this video out before you give me that subscription. Turn on your post notification bell. You're gonna see 3 options there. Put it on all so you won't miss any of my upload. By choosing all, you will get every video that I posted. Yes, so guys, this is the kids' own. Yeah. So the cheese, cheddar cheese and the Kraft cheese, it's on right here, and I'm gonna lay out their pepperoni. These are the pepperonis. Yes guys, so just stay tuned for the outcome of this lovely pizza. I'm gonna show you guys when I finish. Stay tuned. Making pepperoni pizza for my kids. They really love pepperoni pizza, so I always make them pepperoni pizza. Yep, this is it. So guys, this is the outcome of my pizza guys. That's the pepperoni one right there, and this is my vegetable pizza right here. Yes, I have a lot of vegetable on it and a lot of cheese. I guess that's why some of the mozzarella cheese did not melt out, but they are cooked. Yes, there. And I do some roast corn in the making. I make 3 roast corn right here. Meanwhile my pizza was making, and I made this pizza bake for like ½ hour, and it is out. Yes guys, thumbs up this video guys, leave some comments down below, share me out if you can, and subscribe if you're new. Peace, I'm out.